Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's almost Thanksgiving. So, we don't eat turkey, obvi. So we're going to be making a vegan turkey breast. It's pretty convincing. We just had a little bit for lunch. I think you'll like it.
I think it's a winner.
I think it is a winner. And you know what? It's pretty simple. So I'm going to roll up my sleeves a little bit here. My upcycled Hand Me Up that I got from my son that I've been wearing for like the last 20 years. Very simple. And it's gluten-free. We've had other turkey substitutes on our channel before, but they were seitan-based. This one is soy-based. It's tofu and a bunch of other magical ingredients, and I think you're going to like it. At least I hope so. So most of this is done in the food processor, so why don't you come on over to the food processor. After making this a few times, I realized that if I pressed my extra firm tofu from Aldi, the consistency of the finished loaf was way firmer and more like a commercial mock meat. So that's what I'm going to recommend you to do. So we got that in the food processor. I guess you could also do this in a high-speed blender. Oh, all right. So now I'm just going to dump in this beautiful mosaic of spices and thickeners. So all of the ingredients and the amounts will be in the info box below, but this is arrowroot, nutritional yeast, agar, powdered bouillon, poultry seasoning, onion, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and the magic ingredient is over here, and that is Bob's Red Mill potato flakes.
Oh.
So I'm going to add this to the bowl, and we're going to blend it up. All right, kids, if you're wearing earphones.
Here we go.
We want it smooth. Smooth.
Looking pretty good.
All right, it's smooth. All right, we've got a piece of parchment paper here because we're going to put this into a loaf pan. You need the special one that says yum, though. So, before we put our mixture on here, we're going to put a skin on it.
Ew.
But this is what's going to make it good. So, on this dinner plate here, I'm just going to put about a tablespoon, a hefty tablespoon, and another hefty tablespoon of oil and of tamari. I'm going to add a little water to this. So I'm going to do like maybe 2 tablespoons of water. And this is going to be our skin. The spring roll wrappers. They're made out of rice. So we're going to need 2 of these, one for the top and one for the bottom. So we're going to just rehydrate these. And the tamari and the oil that we're using is going to give it a good mouthfeel and a nice salty umami flavor on the outside. So we got this first one drenched. So while that's rehydrating a little bit more, we're going to scrape our filling onto the rice paper. Now, if you like, you can also do a stuffing on this. So when you're, doing this, just make it flat, put your stuffing in, and then you roll it up around the stuffing. And it's really delicious. I'm pretty sure we had it that way before, and it was really nice. While I'm doing that, let's get this one rehydrating, and we'll come back and I'll show you how I wrap it up. Alright, we're just going to flip this over so this side can get a little hydrated. Whoa, little spillage.
Easy there.
Alright, so we're going to mold this into a little log. Obviously, you can double the recipe and make a bigger log if you're serving more people, but we're just doing a little one for today. Alright, so we've got that, and then we take this, place it over. The more this hydrates, the more this will mold around the little loaf. It probably could have been a little bit wetter.
That's okay. You just go back for more.
Exactly. Okay. Well, you get the idea. As it's cooking, it's going to also mold around that some more. So we're going to plop this in here. Not a plop.
Yeah.
We're going to trim that before we put it in the oven. But you can put the rest of your juice on the top. So we're going to pop this into a 350 degree oven for 40 minutes. And then it's going to be amazing. All right, here we go. Here's our little loaf. It just came out. It's blazing hot, but we're going to attempt to cut it.
Bowie is ravenous.
Wow, that looks pretty nice, I have to say.
That looks great.
Yeah. And
All right.
I'll tell you, if you refrigerate it and then cut it and heat it up, it will probably be even better.
Yeah.
But blazing hot, it's cutting pretty nicely.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll let Maddie burn her mouth on that.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we're about to eat turkey and a dog is drinking.
Isn't that always the way? Right, Louie, sweater. Okay, so
Looks really good.
Yes, we had the first iteration of this during our lunch today. So I'm interested to see how this is going to compare because we made a few changes.
Yes, we did.
Oh, that's a nice texture.
Yeah, it is.
I'm just trying to get the skin,
as
well.
Part, yeah.
Ah!
Well, you can use the knife to cut it.
Yeah, I could, but will I? All right, here we go.
Make sure you blow on it.
Mmm. Delicious.
How would it compare to the first one?
I feel like the first one that we made was a little bit mushier.
Yeah.
This one has more...
It's firmer.
It's firmer. It's held together a little tighter.
Yeah. It's a little more tightly wound.
The flavor is wonderful.
Okay.
It really does taste like...
a juicy turkey breast?
Yeah. I'm going to warn you ahead of time. Do not go into this expecting to actually, eat...
a turkey?
Turkey. Because it's just not going to be that texture-wise.
Right.
But the taste is awesome. I love the rice paper on there.
Yeah. If you're used to mock meats...
Yeah.
You
need to go into this realizing this is tofu.
Yeah.
But it is very, very tasty.
Okay.
I like it.
I think it would be great with some vegan gravy.
Oh my god, we're going to have to do a gravy video or something.
Yeah.
Next level.
Yes,
Right,
definitely. He said he's choking just thinking about it.
Oh! So thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you give this a try. And check us out on TikTok if you're not already following.
And Insta.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun. Links below.
Yes.
Veganist Fork on TikTok. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So, thanks again for watching, and until next time, much love.